The notion that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a conspiracy theory that has been circulating online and in certain communities. According to this ideology, the New World Order, a supposed secretive and powerful group, is using vaccines as a tool to control and manipulate the population, particularly Christians. Proponents of this theory claim that vaccines contain hidden ingredients or microchips that can alter a person's DNA, track their movements, or even implant satanic ideologies into their minds. One of the primary arguments made by those who believe in this conspiracy is that vaccines are a form of population control, designed to reduce the number of Christians and promote a more secular or pagan agenda. They point to the fact that many vaccines are developed and distributed by large pharmaceutical companies, which they claim are owned and controlled by members of the New World Order. These companies, they argue, are using vaccines to spread diseases, sterilize people, or implant mind control devices into unsuspecting individuals. Another argument made by proponents of this theory is that vaccines contain ingredients that are morally or spiritually objectionable to Christians. For example, some vaccines use cell lines derived from aborted fetuses, which they claim is a form of participation in abortion and therefore sinful. Others point to the use of animal products, such as gelatin or serum, in vaccine production, which they argue is unnatural and contrary to biblical teachings. Moreover, some conspiracy theorists believe that vaccines are being used to prepare the population for the coming of the Antichrist, who they claim will use vaccines to mark people with the mark of the beast, Revelation 13:16-18. They argue that the use of vaccines is a way to condition people to accept the idea of being injected with unknown substances, making it easier for the Antichrist to introduce a mandatory vaccine that will allegedly contain a microchip or other tracking device. However, it is essential to examine the evidence and facts behind these claims. Vaccines have been extensively tested and proven to be safe and effective in preventing the spread of diseases. The ingredients used in vaccine production are rigorously tested and regulated by government agencies, such as the FDA, to ensure their safety and efficacy. Additionally, the idea that vaccines contain microchips or mind-controlled devices is completely unfounded and has been debunked by numerous scientific studies. It is also crucial to recognize that the conspiracy theory surrounding vaccines and the New World Order is often fueled by misinformation, mistrust, and fear. Many Christians who believe in this theory are genuinely concerned about the potential risks and moral implications of vaccines, but they are often misled by false information and speculation. It is essential to approach this topic with a critical and nuanced perspective, recognizing the complexity of the issues involved and the need for evidence-based information. In conclusion, while the idea that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians may seem compelling to some, it is essential to evaluate the evidence and facts behind this claim. Vaccines have been proven to be a safe and effective way to prevent the spread of diseases, and the ingredients used in their production are rigorously tested and regulated. Rather than relying on speculation and misinformation, it is crucial to approach this topic with a critical and nuanced perspective, recognizing the complexity of the issues involved and the need for evidence-based information. By doing so, we can work to build trust and understanding, rather than fueling mistrust and fear.